guys, today we'll be making many games from Thomas and Friends characters. Let's get started. First take this 8 into 2 piece and take this piece and place it right here, and then take these pieces, put it here, and this one here, and then start with a cab. First take this piece, put it here, and then put this piece and put it here, and take this piece and this and put it here, and take this piece and place it here. The cab is done. Let's do the tank. Take this piece, round one, and then take this is yellow piece, 3 into 2 piece, and place it like this. And then after it, put 2 more like these red tanks, and again take a 3 into 2 piece, in this time in black color, and place it here, and take this brown piece and place it here, and take this red piece flat and put it here like this. To make a small wheel, take this piece, place it like over here, and take this 2 into 1 piece and put it here. Done. And take this 4 into 2 piece and place it here. Then we're done with the engine. And let's do with a tender. Take this flat 4 into 4 piece and put this red block 4 into 2 piece, and put this 2 into 1 piece and another 2 into 1 piece in red color, and place it here, and put this flat black piece like this, and finally take this 2 into 2 piece and place it here and connect it. There, we're done with mini James. This is the final end look. Look, this is James in the red engine from Thomas and Friends characters. And if you hope you enjoyed, please subscribe and say bye.